Hello guys, welcome to my channel Vivek Pandey, and today's the concept is functions. So we are going to solve quizzes on functions. I prepared all 10 questions. Will be showing you one by one all 10. So function is really important concept in any language. So the first question on your screen, it is here. So you can just pause the screen and start working on it. Second one. So in this I have used multiple functions. Even in the leetcode also, or any platform also, they do accept the code if we are writing it in a function. And even classes and objects we do use, but function concept is must, and it is one of the important concept for the interviewer. So what is a function call, function definition, how it goes, what is a return. When you know all the understanding of this, then only you should attempt this quiz. Third question. If you don't have any understanding, first I request you to check about function and then you come back here to solve it. Directly if you come here, then it's no use actually. It's like a simply time waste. So first you know the concept. I do made a playlist for the Python total concepts. I'm uploading the videos also in that. Then you can go through that even. So till last quiz it was collections are done and it is a function. So it is purely function. So in this quiz I have used functions as a parameter, functions in the return type. So that's it. It is not going to be extend more like lambda, higher order functions. No. Fifth one. See here how beautifully I use this code. For I in range, definitely we do use range or collection, but here in the place of collection I have taken function itself. So I do. It took me for like an hour of a time to select the questions from a different sources, guys. From leetcode, HackerRank, ChatGPT, and then my ideally all this combined. I need to check the answers are correct or not. If it is wrong, again there is no point of making it as a quiz. So this efforts is for you from quiz 1. This is quiz 11th. So definitely I found students are finding very interesting. That's the reason these quizzes are being created for you guys. So take a maximum advantages of it. Try to solve it. You'll get an idea how to solve. Even if you're not getting, explore how to solve. Here it is a sixth quiz. In this, what I have done is nested function also I used. So function inside the function, outer function, inner function, and then two returns. So if you see, or if you're going to solve any written exam of any company, definitely in a technical paper you will find all this. from a data type to function, all the collection concepts. Here is seventh one. In this, some more updated. Like in this, I made some changes. So two returns I have written. I mentioned two returns in the inner definition of a function. So basically, my intention is you have to sit with a laptop. Okay. Try to execute. First, you try manually. If not, then try to execute it also, and check how you are getting. It's like an experiment for you. So two return types are possible or not. If is it giving any error? In this way, you can just learn the things. So it is also one of the way to learn the concepts with the different experiments. And now here it is eighth one. In this also I made some changes here. What is the change here is, in the return I'm again giving a call, function call, and also I used conditional statements inside the function. So you can see that how different combinations I have tried about functions. Yeah, and whenever you get the answer and you matches the answer with a key, you feel happy, right? Yeah, even I do feel the same. But whenever you feel happy now, then you may, yeah, it is the ninth question. Then you may feel like wow, nice na. Then when you feel that wow, nice quiz, in that case now you can share your happiness in the terms of liking the video, guys. The more you like na, it will give me a kind of feel, okay, people are liking my videos, I need to make more. Anyhow, I'm making more, I will be. But if someone is getting appreciated for his work na, he will do it with a more interest. 10th one it is. So in this, in the return itself, I'm calling the function call, so that interest level becomes more whenever you appreciate the work. Yeah, so simply it is hitting a like button or subscribing the channel. So it's been like more than a 2 to 3 months. Yeah, I'm continuing same language with you also. You need to understand, and the consistency also. Here is a key. You can match your answer with this, and that's it, guys. You can hit a like button. So thank you for watching till the end.